A. Kumar is asking that what is the difference between normal returns versus long-term returns calculation for stock or NAV of mutual fund for very long time? No, there is no there is no difference in return. There is small difference in the way we look at, stock return and fund return. In the way that, if you look at the growth plan of a mutual fund, and if you do a NAV to NAV comparison, that itself is a return. So if you bought a fund in a regular plan, in the growth plan of a mutual fund 5 years ago at 10 rupee, and if it has become 20 rupees in 5 years time, that is your return. 10 rupees is the return over the last 5 years. Simple return is just 20%, and compounded it will be little less, so you get annualized compound return on value research for all returns over 1 year. In case of stock, it will be different. In case of stock, it will be different because if you bought a stock at 10 rupee and today it is 20 rupee, and in between it gave some dividend, the return has to be adjusted for dividend because that is also your return. So the total return from stock needs to be calculated little carefully based on the cash flow that it has generated in between. Because you bought a stock at 10 rupee, and if you sell that stock at 20 rupee, that is not the only return that you got. You also got some periodic return by way of dividend, and that return has to be adjusted. And for that, we calculate the internal rate of return based on the cash flow, and that is what you see in your portfolio manager at Value Research. Value Research Portfolio Manager adjusts all your returns for any bonus issue that has been issued by the company, or any split that has happened, because there are companies where the face value was 10 rupee, it has been turned into 2 rupee or 1 rupee, so you got more shares and your older shares. So if you had 100 shares and it was 10 rupee face value, and now it is the face value has turned from 10 to 1, now you will be having 1000 shares, and the price will accordingly get adjusted. So all these things happens automatically in Value Research Portfolio Manager. These look like very simple things, but it requires accuracy, it requires rigor, and it requires precision and timeliness, because one fine day you will find that your investment portfolio is looking like this stock is down 90%, but it is not down 90%. Only the stock price is down 90%, but you have been issued more shares. So track your portfolios, even your stock portfolio at Value Research Online, to be on top of things with confidence and precision.